Setting up a power of attorney with LegalZoom is a simple and efficient way to ensure that someone you trust can make legal and financial decisions on your behalf, should you become unable to do so. Whether you are planning ahead for health reasons, traveling, or just want to be prepared for any situation, LegalZoom makes the process straightforward. To get started, visit the LegalZoom's website and choose a power of attorney service. You will be guided through a series of questions about your situation, including what type of POA you need, whether it's durable, general, or health care related. These questions help LegalZoom tailor the POA document to your specific needs. For example, a durable POA remains effective even if you become incapacitated, while a general POA allows your agent to make decisions about your financial and legal affairs. A healthcare POA grants someone the authority to make medical decisions on your behalf. Once you have answered the necessary questions, LegalZoom will generate a power of attorney document that aligns with your answers. You'll also have the option to review and make any adjustments before finalizing it. In some cases, LegalZoom can also help with notarizing your document, which is required in many states. After signing and notarizing your POA, make sure to give copies to your designated agent so they can act on your behalf and need it. It also is a good idea to store the original in a safe place where it can be easily accessed if necessary. Setting up a power of attorney through LegalZoom ensures that your wishes will be followed and that your affairs will be managed by someone you trust. Whether for health related matters or financial decisions, LegalZoom service provides peace of mind, knowing you have planned for the unexpected. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions about setting up your power of attorney.